Imagine building a fully functional website just by talking to an AI. And then if you're not happy with the result, getting your creation credits instantly refunded. What if I told you that platform exists? Youware offers a natural language prompt to code. You tell the AI your idea, and the AI is building that idea for you. I'm gonna say to the AI, build a landing page for a new coffee shop. I click the button, and the AI handles the design, coding, and deployment. No technical expertise is needed. With Youware, you can go from a simple prompt to a deployed, shareable web app with a single click. And with a single click, you can see that I have my web app ready. I can right now click publish and have this web app ready to share. And you can see by copying the URL, I have my website ready. And you can even change the URL to a custom URL of your choice. Introducing the world's most user-friendly vibe coding platform. Youware is your AI creation partner. It's a full-stack, AI-powered web application platform. It's built for the next wave of AI native creators, entrepreneurs, artists, designers. Youwave demystifies app development, empowering anyone to build what they dream up. Youware offers a risk-free creation. The Youware Credit Care is a feature which is the world's first credit anxiety solution. It lets you undo a mistake or unsatisfactory AI creation. By doing so, you automatically get credit refunds, ensuring a risk-free experience with every exploration. And here's how it looks like the Youware Credit Care system. If you don't like the end result, you can choose the option on the left which says rewind, and I can click rewind, and it tells me how many credits I will get back, and it brings the result of my project back to where it was. Let's say I want to click it again. It tells me the credits I'm going to get back. Click rewind, and the AI brings back to the previous version my project. And at the same time, I get my credits back. Youware offers also a model switching. You can freely switch between cutting-edge coding models like Gemini 3 Pro, GPT-5 Codex, Claude 4.5 Sonnet, and anything you need in order to balance speed, creativity, and cost. Another great feature Youware offers is the boost and visual editing. You can use the boost feature to transform pages into visual masterpieces with one click, improving colors, fonts, and layouts. When I click boost, I can choose whether to enhance visual design, modernize overall UI, or improve animations and transitions. Let's click modernize overall UI, and the AI is gonna do it for me. The platform is visually stunning and feels like a natural extension of your creativity. And here you can see the end result of the boost feature. AI created a more modernized version of the website for me. Another great feature I love about Youware is the visual editing feature. You can find it here, and when you click visual editing, you can edit and design directly on the canvas for pixel perfect control to reduce AI costs. I can, for example, change this to not bold. Maybe I want to delete this button or change to where to find us. Do any changes I want, and in the end, just click save on the top right side. And just like that, all the changes have been saved. Another great feature Youware offers is the co-view feature. On the top left side, after you gave your prompt and the AI built your project, you can click co-view, share screen, and talk to AI. And it's a new way to co-build, show, and say to AI what you want to improve and build. After you give permission of your share screen and microphone, then you can start browse and talk freely while overviewing the end result of the project that the AI built for you. The agent will watch, listen, and analyze the problems behind it and fix them or improve it. For example, you can fix this and the AI will do the work for you, where it says fresh daily. Youware also offers the feature Ubase. Ubase is a built-in backend and database support for data storage, user authentication, and media assets. You can see here your database, which it will appear all the database of the project you created, the users and all their information in one place, storage, all the files that you saved for this project, AI API, and sensitive values such as your API keys and tokens, you can store them here. So you have everything under one roof, Ubase. In Ubase feature, another great thing is that you can turn your ideas into real products and databases. You can build a complete cloud backend with database authentication, edge functions, storage, and logs for teams who need control, security, and scale, and do it with just one simple sentence. I give this command, I click start building, and Ubase can build the database entirely from scratch for me with just one sentence. Stop thinking about your next project and start building it. Youware is the one-stop platform that turns your idea into reality. Click the link below right now and sign up for your free account. Get started today.